Just like you, 99% of the students are applying on LinkedIn or any other career portal and nobody is getting the opportunities. The reason is simple, that is awareness. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta and many more companies are hiring right now, but you are not aware. And in this particular video, I am going to reveal all those opportunities, how you can apply, what are the critical parts that you need to take care, how you can get shortlisted also. Without any further ado, let's get started. You have shown so much love on the previous videos. I would request you to share this video because this is very important, and also like and subscribe so that you don't miss upon these opportunities. Without any further ado, the first opportunity is again at Microsoft. Microsoft started hiring for software engineering intern. Like I mentioned, the next 3 months, November, December and January, are going to be very crucial for you guys. Software engineering intern, you have to be very much aware of, good at DSA, system design fundamentals and everything, CS fundamentals and anything and everything around computer science. Then you need to be aware of. The opening is posted yesterday only, 18th of, or 2 days back, 18th of November. Go ahead and apply with, and make sure you update your resume as per the job description. Now the next opportunity is at Google. Google is hiring 2026 graduates, software engineering university grad, and people who will be graduating in 2026 are eligible for this particular opportunity. Since there are like almost 6 months remaining for your graduation, the hiring process at Google takes a lot of time. There are openings, then you go through the interview loop which takes around 2 months or 3 months, and then there is team matching, there is a proper hiring committee that's set up that makes sure that you are put in the right team. So there is a long process, hence it takes time. So make sure you apply with the right resume. As far as the skills are concerned, it remains the same, that's a generic role, and they're hiring for multiple locations across pan India. They are opening their biggest office outside US in Hyderabad, so there is going to be a lot of hiring lately. Now comes the third opportunity, which is Zoho Hackathon, Developer Community Hackathon. This is specifically for anyone who wants to get started with tech, AI tools, which Zoho provides. As you can see the categories here: extension, click, catalyst, CRM functions, blah blah blah. There is no entry fees, anyone can participate free of cost. The hackathon is open to individuals and teams up to 3 members. So you can participate individually as well, or in a group of 3. $1,000 and merchandise from Zoho Developer Community and a certification of participation also. These are the things over which your project will be evaluated. Make sure you take a look at it and do participate in such hackathon. If you're an initial engineering year student, then these opportunities will land you a lot of traction if you post about it on LinkedIn. Okay, quick thing before we move forward. Everyone has the skills today. Everyone is building projects. Just like you, 500 other people are putting those projects on GitHub, and no recruiter is free to open those random links and check out those projects. There are only small section of people who are getting those interview calls, who are getting the attention of these recruiters, and I have found out the reason why. They are getting the visibility. You are missing out on the visibility part. You have the skills, you have the projects, but you are not getting the attention. And there is one way you can get it, not just by posting on LinkedIn about your projects, getting the random things that you have wrote, link in the comments, or you can check out the project, you post the link, you talk about the project, but putting it in a creative manner, putting it in a way that actually showcase what is your caliber. And you can do it just by using this AI tool Voxdeck, by building a proper carousel for your LinkedIn post. All you have to do is go to Voxdeck. I have been using it for a while and it can create amazing LinkedIn carousels in seconds, and it has given me viral potential post, a lot of followers, a lot of attention from potential people. For example, you want to post a presentation about your weather app project. All you have to do is go on Voxdeck and type create a LinkedIn post about my weather app project, include the problem, solution, tech stack and the results also. And within 30 seconds, it will help you build a 5-slide presentation with 1 slide of the hook about the problem, second shows the tech stack and the solution, then fourth shows the screenshot, and the last one shows the result, and then the GitHub link also. Now it's your turn to edit the information. All which is related to your project, you can fill in those information, download the PPT and post it on LinkedIn to get the attention. Recruiters or hiring managers scroll through LinkedIn, and these kind of posts actually let them stop and think and see through the whatever you have built. It will tell you how you have built, what you have built and what was the impact, and that what matters. All the links about this tool is mentioned in the description. You can check out. If you're building a project right now, make sure you post it on LinkedIn using this particular tool, building a carousel post. And the best part is you can build it for free using the free credits. You don't have to spam recruiters of 100 companies. You just have to post it on LinkedIn the right way. And now we'll continue the video. Now comes the fourth opportunity, which is Stripe. Stripe is hiring for software engineering intern. Again, the rules stays the same. The prep remains the same for engineering internships or fresher jobs. DSA is the core. Then comes system design fundamentals, CS fundamentals, and then you have to have good projects in your resume. Stripe is a payment solution company, so make sure you have the understanding how payments work. So I'll give you an example. I interviewed at a company called PayPay Japan. It's a payment company, and the question asked to me was design a payment solution. So design a payment system apparently. So make sure you do background research what the company does, because sometimes there are situational questions being asked which are related to the company, what the company do, right? And who are eligible for this? At least 2 years of university education. So people who are in the third year and final year are eligible for this particular internship. It could be a 6-month, it could be a 2-month internship in the summer of 2026. Now comes a very interesting opportunity. Meta is hiring like crazy in Bangalore. They have recently set up a new office and they are hiring aggressively, and this opportunity is for first time they are hiring for fresher candidates. If you're a 2026 batch student, currently has or in the process of getting a bachelor's degree, then you are eligible. If I talk about Meta's hiring process, it's pretty complex. You might have like 5-6 rounds. Starts with a phone screen round which will have DSA questions, 2 questions being asked, easy, medium or medium lead code questions. Then you will have multiple coding interview rounds where you will be asked multiple lead code medium questions, and then followed by system design round, and then followed by hiring manager round. And after all this, the package that you will be getting is insane. Meta offers one of the highest packages in India when it comes to freshers as well as experienced graduates. Next opportunity is at Amazon. So consider all the big tech companies who hire in India are hiring right now. This is again for university graduate students, fresher students who have graduated in 2025 and also going to graduate. Like they has to. People who are in 2026, I would recommend to apply in this, although it doesn't say it is for people who are pursuing right now, but I would recommend you should apply, because even for Amazon it takes around 2 to 3 months for people to join, and this is the hiring season. 2024, 2025 are easily available for this particular or highly eligible for this particular opportunity. The skills again remains the same: DSA, good programming language understanding, CS fundamentals, and all those things. Intuit is also hiring for fresher software engineer as D1, but I would recommend people who have some experience like 2024 or 2023 graduates should apply for this, because if you look at the job description, whenever you apply, make sure you update your resume as per the job description, and they have mentioned a lot of skills in this. They are hiring for multiple roles: mobile engineering, backend, front end, full stack. Qualification is there is no experience mentioned in qualification, but generally for these kind of openings they only shortlist people who have 2 or 1+ years of experience. So people who are from 2024, 2023 batch, they should apply. Let's talk about a few internships which are active. I already made detailed videos on these internships. EPFL Summer, which is a Switzerland-based university, is hiring for summer internship. Deadline is 1st of December. Make sure you apply. The link to detailed video should be in the I button. Similarly for ETH Zurich, I recently published this video also. Detailed video how to apply, what are the things you need to take care. All the college students like third year and final year are eligible for this internship, even for summer EPFL also. You will find the link in the I button for the ETH Zurich internship also. Now the last internship is at Western Digital. It's a very good company. You might have seen already, hardware products from Western Digital. It's an opportunity for 2026 graduate. Easy apply on LinkedIn. They have not mentioned much about it, so you can take a look like what exactly they are looking for. It's currently pursuing in CSE or related branches. Prior internship experience, so it's more of a hardware internship, like they said. If you have project experience in firmware and embedded systems, then you are highly desirable, because see, even though you are a computer science student, they might be working on building software for these hardware. So hence, if you have understanding of those hardware, it's a plus point for them. If you haven't followed me on LinkedIn yet, make sure you follow. All the links are mentioned in the description. I'll meet you in the next video, and make sure to check Vox Tech AI to build your presentation and to showcase your skills more easily, more conveniently and efficiently. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to join our Telegram group also for regular updates. Bye bye. Take care.